Our AVANTEK wireless doorbell is approved by FCC, CE, and RoHS. We provide customer service on our products and we will always do our best to support you. High-performance transmitter. Ultra-low power consumption. Our doorbell uses a CR2032 lithium battery that boasts 3-year maximum lifespan. IP55 dustproof and waterproof. Working temperature ranges from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Withstands various harsh weather conditions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Long operating distance. With a reliable wireless range of 1,000 feet and strong signal penetration, the doorbell will never fail to alert you when someone shows up at the door. Enjoy a reliable and hassle-free doorbell system at home, in factories, offices, classrooms, apartment blocks, villas, and other large areas. Number 2. Music to your ears. The doorbell boasts an ample selection of 52 melodies and a wide volume range of 0 to 115 decibels. Ranging from traditional doorbell chimes to jingles known around the world, the playlist certainly offers a chime that suits your taste. Number 3. Mute mode. The silent volume level doesn't disturb a sleeping baby and the maximum level of 115 decibels is hearable by the hearing impaired or even during a party. Thanks to the visual LED alert, a disturbance-free notification is provided. Number 4. Convenient size. After carefully researching customer feedback, we have upgraded the design of the receiver station, giving it a smaller size of just 2.8 length by 3.1 in height, so that it won't block off any neighboring power sockets. Number 5. 100% satisfaction. Our AVANTEK wireless doorbell is approved by FCC, CE, and RoHS. We provide customer service on our products and we will always do our best to support you. Number 6. High-performance transmitter. Ultra-low power consumption. Our doorbell uses a CR2032 lithium battery. Number 7. 1,000 feet ultra-long wireless range. 2 plug-in receivers included. Will not interfere with other equipment in your home or those of your neighbors. Ensures you will never miss a visitor, even if you are a few rooms away or on another floor. Number 8. 52 chimes to choose from. 1.1 in 29mm stereo speaker delivers rich and crisp sound. 5 adjustable volume levels with a maximum setting of 115 decibels. Press next or previous button to easily choose from 52 melodies. Number 9. Memory function. The wireless doorbell remembers your last melody and volume level after a power outage. No need to reset to your previous settings. Convenient and easy to use, designed for an enhanced user experience. Number 10. Easy to set up. This doorbell can add more AVANTEK mini receivers for increased coverage. Includes 2 screws, 2 anchors, 1 key, and 1 adhesive patch for easy installation of transmitter. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it have a mute option? Answer. Yes, it has. Question number 2. Is it possible to use 2 sets of these at the same time, with 2 buttons and 2 different tones on their respective speakers? Answer. Yes, 2 sets can be paired to 2 buttons plus 4 receivers. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.